Grass Valley is such a peaceful and charming place to live, with amazing schools, a vibrant downtown, and a lively arts and culinary scene. And whether you're looking for your family home or your last home, I have the perfect property for you today. The best part? It's less than 10 minutes from downtown. Nestled at the end of a cul-de-sac in an upscale neighborhood on over 1.5 acres, this beautiful single-story home has never been on the market before. And with the newly painted interior, gorgeous grounds, and peekaboo view, you're going to want to make this your own. Welcome to 14260 LeBar Pines Drive. This home feels both elegant and homey and is absolutely move-in ready. I love how the entrance immediately welcomes you into this warm living room with high ceilings and abundant natural light. And what an inspired kitchen with stainless steel Bosch appliances, granite countertops, and warm cherry wood cabinetry. And this spacious master has a large walk-in closet and a generous jetted soaking tub. One of the bedrooms has been finished as a library, combined with the fantastic internet available, perfect for your homeschooling needs or your home office. Plus, there are so many more features, like this workshop under the house, owned solar, a generator, and public water, a storage shed for all your tools and toys, a super fun tree house, and the best outdoor feature of all, this gorgeous waterfall. you can enjoy it all from this expansive deck just off the living room. Perfect for enjoying your morning cup of coffee or dining al fresco. With all of these amazing features, contact me today and let's get you into this spectacular property. And this spacious master has a large walk-in closet and a generous jetted soaking tub.
Two different ones.
I'm sure my heels love gravel. A storage shed! Owned solar? See, it's up there.